Well, it's officially almost heating season. And my train lasted another summer. So I'm gonna be getting the last startup of this unit pretty soon for cooling season. It's been running. But man, it feels good out here. I mean, it's never felt this good in a while. This has been running too. So here's the train. It's got a line scroll compressor. Tech fan motor. Tails an 8, 3-ton. This is 17 years old. And yeah, it's been running. Neighbor's carrier. Emerson Cope and Scroll. (2022) 3-ton. It's got that cheap Zhongshan fan motor. Broad Ocean. I may stick around for a startup. It's a train. I live by the railroad tracks. So I don't know if this really had a new capacitor. I'm sure it had to get a capacitor change out at some point. It's kind of interesting that there's no disconnect box for this unit. It just goes to this big power box, which is the breaker. Coils have really not gotten that dirty. And no, it's not a heat pump. Top still remains on this unit. Alright. So I may get my tripod out here and get a startup of this unit. Now it may not kick on because it's so cold outside. And yeah, I know our yard looks pretty atrocious. We haven't mowed it in a while. I know y'all can't really see it on camera too well. And here's this American Standard again. And this pane. Yeah, that pain's really loud. Just making sure no one's coming. So it's kind of dangerous. And yeah, I don't know if they'll start up or not. Alright, so I'm probably not gonna stick around for a startup or anything. Alright. So let me get some good pictures. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.